Welcome back. In this class I'm going to show you how to create profiles. Now, what are profiles? Basically, profiles is a collection of currency pairs that you want to get to without having to open a new chart and everything. So you'll be having like say 3 profiles with different currency pairs on the profile. Now, a profile is a collection of currency pairs that are opened on the same window. You see, like now we've got USD JPY, we've got GBP USD, we've got USD CHF, we've got Euro USD, right? So now, once you have your currency pairs open, like for instance, now I'm gonna close this USD JPY and leave one. I've got 4 currency pairs open. I'm gonna go to File, go to Profiles, right? Already this profile is named default. So for me to give you a better illustration, I'm going to delete this one. Then I'm gonna delete also the Euro. Then I'm gonna delete the market overview, right? Now I'm gonna open my own assets, right? Say USD against the Chinese one. Then I open gold, right? You see, so now I've got 6 assets open. So I'm gonna save this profile as I'm gonna save this profile. I'm gonna call it main profile, right? Then I'm gonna close. Right now I'm gonna get rid of this pairs. Right, let me close this one also. So now it's blank. So now let me open different currency pairs. Say AUD USD. Let me open NZD USD, and then let me open USD CAD. Right, now I've got 3 currency pairs open. Now these currency pairs I'm gonna save as minor, right? So I've got 2 profiles that I have saved. Of course, there's the default profile, but I've got 2 profiles. One profile is the main profile, the other one is the minor profile. So the profile that is ticked is the current profile that is open, right? You see here we've got a tick. It means that's the profile which is active. So if I want to switch back now to my main profile with, you see, now I've got my main profile open, right? I can switch back to my default. You see, now I've got the default profile open, the one with all those assets, the one with the chart that we were customizing. So now I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna close here. So what does this help with? This help so that you don't have to be going to File, open new chart, or you just click on new chart. Already the chart is already open on your profile. All you do is you switch back to the next profile. This helps in getting to your charts much quicker. You see, you get to your charts much quicker. So that's the use of profiles. So in the next class, I'm going to show you how to create and apply a custom template. Thank you.